What?
Honey, what you doing? I think he just wants you to hug him.
No, we can't go that way.
I need that way.
You want to go to the park?
Do you want to go to the park? Do you want to go to the park and play? Let's go get an ice cream, honey. Let's go get ice cream.
He's fighting hard.
Honey, let's go get ice cream. Where are you wanting to go? Is he want? I don't know if he's wanting to go to the park or not.
That's the way he always acts with me. It's not worse.
He acts like this all the time. What do you think, this is just you? Why do you act like you're such an exception? Like he just picks you?
What? Play if you want. You want to go play?
Yeah.
Go play.
There you go. Yeah, you got the full run, babe. If you want to run, run. It's okay. Go ahead. You know where he's going to run.
He's going back.
Babe, listen. We can't go back this way. Okay? Ruby, honey, listen. That's a dead end back there. And it takes a long time to get back to where we're parked, honey. Okay? You want to go see what's over here? What's the matter, sweetheart? I thought do you want to go see what's over here? You okay? You okay? Let's go see what's down here, okay? That's where we're supposed to be, is down there with Daddy and Lou. We brought Lucas so that you could play with him, play basketball and stuff. All right. Just taking a walk now? We're just taking a walk? All right. I like taking a walk with you. Can I get a smile? You smile over Mama? Yeah, Daddy and Luke are down there by the playground. What you crying for, honey? What you crying for? There isn't cry. We're doing all the things that you like, right? Where are you going? Oh, okay. What you looking at on your finger there, babe? This is nice, huh? Taking a little walk. It's a nice day out today, isn't it? Sun is shining. Watch out for the bikes. Watch out. Move over this way. Are we walking? Careful. All There's the Problem. He's rolling down that hill. He's rolling down that hill. Yeah, we're not going back this way. Yeah, we're not. We're not going to go back that way, honey. I told you. That doesn't... It just goes and it stops. And then we can't go any farther. We already went down that way. There's nothing there. Oh, look at what's down this way. I wonder if it goes all the way around.
There we go.
I don't know. Let's see. You think it goes all the way around?
There you go.
Yeah. Maybe it does. Maybe it goes all the way around to the other side. In a big circle. Do you think? Quit eating the... Babe. Please stop eating the burgers. Just... Please. Please. Ooh, you hear the motorcycles? You want to hold my hand? No? Okay, I think that this is just a nervous habit that you're... It's the grossest nervous habit, but... I love your face! I love your face when I'm with you. You want to sing the rest? What's the rest? 'Cause I love you. Can you sing it with me? 'Cause I love you. I love your face when I'm with you. 'Cause I love you. You don't want to sing with me? I like it when you sing that song with me. I think it does go all the way around. Oh, pooper crappers. Music! I hear music. I do believe that the restaurant next door has a band playing. It is Saturday evening. I would like to be over there, having a cool Bud Light and enjoying the music. Yeah, over there.
Over there.
Yeah, I'm hungry. I could go for some food. This is where people go. It stops here. This is where it stops. And people fish this way and stuff. And see. It says, do not eat the fish. That can't be good. Can't eat the fish. Not good fishing. You got a rock? Don't put it in your mouth there. It's not even a rock. I don't even know what that's an acorn shell. Got an acorn shell. Are you the cutest? You are the cutest little dirty boy. Exploring. Oh, wow. Look at that, huh? Oh, you're a trail seeker. I want you to be very careful. Wow. Be very careful. Watch out, be very careful, yes. Okay, I think that we're kind of getting blocked off up here. There's a bunch of logs, so we got to go the other way. We can't get through here. Got to go back this way. Oh, don't go getting mad at me. Can't go that way. There's logs blocking our path. I have nothing to do with that. It's not like I'm telling you no to be mean. We really just can't go through that way. There's logs in our way. We have to go through the other way because there's logs in the way. So see, we can't go through. See? So we have to go around the other way, back the other way. Well, I'm sorry, but that's just the way it is, Toots. Come on. We're not going to stand here all day. Come on. We have to go back this way. There's logs in our way. Yeah, you gotta be careful over here. People fish and strings and lures and stuff. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Alright. Now this stops this way, so we have to go left. Because it stops. See, there you can't go any farther. See, this is where it stops. So we have to go back that way now. We have to go this way now. Honey, we have to go this way. I know. But you can't go any farther. It's just water.
I know.
It stops.
I know there's the one.
I know, but we have to go this way now because it stops. Honey, it stops right there.
I know the one. I know the one. I know the fun.
You know what's fun?
I know the fun.
Yeah. It stops, honey, so we have to go the other way. Okay, you want me to hold you? Is that what you want? Honey, it stops. There's no more sidewalk. It stops. Look. Oh my goodness. Honey, look, River. There's no more sidewalk. See, there's no more. It stops. There's no more. See? That's why we gotta turn around and go this way. We can't walk. All right. Walk back.
I know the.
I'm sorry,
I know
Toots.
the fun.
Yeah.
You get out.
Yeah, it is fun, honey. I don't know what you're saying, though.
I know the fun.
Okay, buddy, I don't know what you're doing here. Okay. Video's gonna have to stop.